Today we are going to discuss about hydrogen, right? So in this chapter we will discuss about only hydrogen. See, remaining case में we will learn first group, we will learn second group, each one chapter. First group alkali metals, alkaline earth metal, then third group, fourth group, fifth group, sixth group, seventh, eighth, like that. Each group we will discuss. But separately one hydrogen we are discussing here. Separately one hydrogen we are discussing here. Why? The topic also it will come here. In this chapter we will discuss about first of all hydrogen, then hydrogen isotopes, then preparations and properties, then uses. Hydrogen का uses कहाँ है as a fuel. Then hydrogen containing compounds, some important compounds. That is, one is water, the another one is H2O2. Okay, small introduction is there about D2O also. These two compounds. Again, these two compounds H2O, preparation, properties and uses. ये water में again hard water and soft water. Hard and soft water. Hard and soft water. How to remove this hardness? Those topics we will discuss here. Preparation, properties, water का uses generally we know. Then H2O2, same preparation, properties, uses. Okay, these are the main topics in this chapter. Right, one by one we will discuss. Now, what are the hydrogen isotopes? Sorry? Protium, deuterium and tritium. 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. 1H1, 1H2, 1H3. Right? This is the name is protium. Yes, madam. Deuterium, tritium. Names. So another symbol, it is shown as 1H1, 1D, 2, 1T3. T for tritium, D for deuterium. Right? Now, what are the main differences? Tell me first, what are the isotopes? What is the meaning of isotope? Yes, same element and having different masses. What definition we can give like that? Same number of protons, different number of neutrons. One definition. Another, same number of protons, different atomic mass. Same number of protons, different atomic mass, or different number of neutrons. Okay. See here, one by one we will write electrons. Tell me in the protium, deuterium, tritium, how many electrons are there? Only one electron. One electron. What about proton? One only. Take it? One proton. Proton charge generally plus. 1 plus 1 minus, that's why all are neutral only. Right. What about neutron? In the periodic table, only one element is there without a neutron. Okay? Generally, atomic structure when we learn that the basic fundamental particles are electron, proton, neutron. But without neutron, only one element existing, that is hydrogen. Right? 0, then 1, then 2. What about atomic mass? Just do sum. So total mass कभी भी proton plus neutron होता है. Mass means here P plus N. So 1 plus 0, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 plus 3. This is the main basic information. Okay. Next, for the properties में, the properties, this tritium, the tritium is radioactive element. Radioactive radioactive element. What is the meaning of radioactive element? Which emit radiation. Emit radiation. Radiation means energy. Radiation means also energy. Right. What will happen here? Suppose if you are taking this tritium, I am taking 1 gram. So after 1 day, it becomes 0.1 grams. Just like you had to assume that 1 ice cube you are taking. Okay, after 1 hour, what will happen? It becomes maybe half or almost negligible. Okay, it is, of course, there water is there, but here there is no water. It's completely disappeared. The mass is converting into energy. We know the physics. E equal mc square. Some amount of mass is converting into energy. Okay, so I am taking 1 gram. Now after 1 day, it became 0.5 gram. Suppose. Okay, वो 0.5 gram कहाँ गया? Miss. Where went? That is converted into energy. That is converted into energy. So in the radioactive elements में maximum E होता है. That's why same this type of energy only in the atom bomb. In the atom bomb also, even in the nuclear reactors also same process. Some amount of small amount of mass matter is converting into energy. Right. Now, the radioactive element. Which elements are acting as radioactive elements? Whenever N by P ratio, neutron by proton ratio, if it is more than 1.7 is there, those elements are acting as radioactive elements. What's molecular mass? Molecular mass, प्रोटियम, ड्यूटेरियम, ट्रिटियम में इसमें ज्यादा रहता है. Molecular mass. Just now we calculated, you know, this is a 1, 2, 3. So that is increasing molecular mass. Next, melting point and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point also increasing. If value is not required. If you want, NCERT textbook में is given in the table. Okay, just we required only comparison. Which is more, which is less. That's it. Okay. Melting point and boiling point. Generally, the melting point and boiling point is directly proportional to the mass. When mass is increasing, melting and boiling point also increasing. Okay. So this melting point and boiling point is 2 factors. One is directly proportional to the mass, directly proportional to the intermolecular forces, interatomic or molecular forces, interatomic or molecular forces. राइट, ये 2 टॉपिक्स. अब इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस दोनों का सेम था, इसलिए ओनली मास पे डिपेंड हो रहा है. दैट्स व्हाई इंक्रीजिंग. दिस 2 पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू नो दिस. नेक्स्ट, डेंसिटी. यू नो दैट डेंसिटी, mass is increasing means density equal generally mass by volume, so it is also increasing. Then bond enthalpy. Bond enthalpy में last PYQs में from last 3-4 years में one question was there. Density, bond energy related. So they given that H bond H and D bond D, where the bond energy is more. Okay, like that. Bond energy or bond length, depend upon question is there. Right. Now you tell me, if you know one answer, either bond energy or bond length, the another one you can get it easily. Because bond energy and bond length inversely होता है. Bond energy is inversely proportional to bond length. If bond length is bigger, bond energy is less. बड़ा वाला easily we can break it. अभी ये तो solve है. Break करना बहुत मुश्किल है. ठीक है? Bigger one is there. Easily you can break it. Right? So when bond length is more, it can break up easily. The smaller is there, it cannot break. See, these are oscillating. Yes, we know that vibrational, rotational, these things are there. Okay, here less weights, here more weights. One spring is there. More weight and less weight. Easily, which can vibrate? The more weight one or less weight one? Less weight one can oscillate more. Okay, so this one is oscillating here and here, sometimes here and here. वो average distance क्या होगा? इतना होगा. The heavy one oscillating from here to here and here to here. Oscillating average length क्या होगा? This much. So finally conclusion क्या है? In between D and D, bond length is less. Bond length is less, so bond strength is more. Bond length is less means bond strength is more. That's only important here. As well, sometimes the question may ask CH and CD, where the bond strength is more. Same reason. So obviously CD will be more. Bond length is more here. Bond strength is here. Understood the reason? Clear? If you know the concept, you never forget. There is no chance to confuse. Okay, एक डंबल शेप है, वाइब्रेटिंग हो रहा है, so more vibration is there, average length also more. If you know the length, strength automatically inverse, right? Okay. Then where we are, density, then bond energy. So bond energy in case of protium and deuterium में decreasing, sorry, increasing. Energy का बात कर रहे हैं. Bond energy is again increasing, right? These 2 points we write it here. One note point you can write. Why HH and DD? This DD bond length is less. You can write here 1 point. Note down first of all this. I will dictate here. Due to more mass of deuterium, it will oscillate less distance. Okay. So the average length, bond length is less. When bond length is less, obviously bond energy will be more. Right. So whatever we learn now, those all are physical properties. All isotopes physical properties are different, but chemical properties are same. Next point you can write. All isotopes of hydrogen chemical properties are same. HDT chemical properties are same. Chemical properties are same. क्यों? Because chemical properties generally depends on the valence electrons. So number of electrons are only here 1. Number of electrons same. That's why chemical properties are same. Chemical properties are same. Right. Next. Allotropes. Allotropes. What is the meaning of allotrope? Allotrope. See, physics. Yes, repeat. So अभी तो hydrogen and deuterium same chemical properties, different physical properties. These two are allotropes. No. Then isotope and allotrope. What is the difference? Carbon and diamond. Carbon, graphite and diamond. This is the formed by carbon. These two are allotropes. Yes. Chemical properties are same. Physical properties are different. Right? But these are not isotopes. Isotopes are carbon C12 and C14. These are the isotopes. Allotrope. What is the difference? Structure may different. When structure is different, those are called allotropes. Chemical properties are almost same. Right. So hydrogen allotropes. Hydrogen, you know this diatomic molecule. So two atoms are there, H2. I can write it like this. Two hydrogens are there, sharing electrons. Right. So here these two hydrogens spin. The spin is, suppose if it is same side, same direction is there, one type of hydrogen, and opposite spin is there, opposite spin means nucleus spin. Which spin it is? Spin means here nucleus spin. Nucleus spin. Same side and opposite side. If same side is there, opposite means anti-spin. Then anti-spin is a parallel spin. पैरेलल. So this एंटी स्पिन में इसको बोलते हैं पैराहाइड्रोजन. पैराहाइड्रोजन. पैराहाइड्रोजन names important. Parahydrogen, this is called orthohydrogen. Orthohydrogen. Thus, same side spin is there, orthohydrogen. Opposite is there, parahydrogen. Just you link up with antimate, two A's are there. Something you have to fix it. Then only without confusion you can do. These are the names. Names कभी भी with code language you have to link with that names. ठीक है. The antispin में paraHydrogen. If you know one is confirmed, then another one easy. ठीक है. Just you note down this allotropes. First write one point. Allotrope means the same atom exists with different structures. Different structure or different arrangement. Different structure or different arrangement. Now here hydrogen exhibit as orthohydrogen and parahydrogen. Orthohydrogen and parahydrogen. Just rough figure you do. Spin same side, spin opposite.